Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Porsche 987 Boxster having a DMX8021DABS installed. As you can see here, we've used a really nice Porsche fascia trim. This stereo has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless and wired. It's also got DAB. We've got a DAB antenna up on the window here. It's got FM utilising the original FM antenna. If this car did have steering wheel controls, it would be operated from that as well, but this one hasn't. It has got a rear camera input, although there's no one not connected on here. If you'd like to have this done in your Porsche, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.